In today's video, I will walk you through how to make scientific graphs in Google Sheets. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Open Google Sheets by going to sheets.google.com or through Google Drive, then start a new spreadsheet. Enter your data into two columns. In column A, type temperature in degrees Celsius. In column B, type reaction rate in moles per second. Fill in your 9 matching data points, making sure each value aligns correctly. Next, highlight the full dataset including both headers by clicking and dragging over the cells. Go to the menu, click Insert, then select Chart. If it doesn't appear correctly, open the chart editor and change the chart type to scatter chart so your data shows as individual points. To add a trend line, go to Customize, then Series, and turn on Trendline. Use a linear trend line for steady data or switch to exponential if the curve increases more sharply. Finally, adjust labels or colors if needed, and your scientific graph is complete.